Flatbread crust recipe. Ingredients needed: dough ball, see recipe, 22 ounces, roasted garlic seasoning, 1 tablespoon, blended oil, 1 ounce.
1. Use a pastry brush. Coat half-sheet tray evenly with blended oil. 2. On pizza prep table, stretch dough evenly with no crust border into a rectangle measuring 11 inches by 16 inches. 3. Press dough into oiled half-sheet pan wet side down. 4. Brush top with oil and sprinkle evenly with roasted garlic seasoning. 4. Bake in 500 degrees Fahrenheit oven until golden brown, approximately 10 minutes. 5. Remove from oven. Allow to cool and cut into 6 equal portions, 1 cut lengthwise and 2 cuts widthwise. 6. Top a forecasted amount of crusts for display and wrap any excess bread with plastic wrap and hold at room temperature.
For 6 portions of pesto caprese flatbreads. Ingredients: grape tomatoes, cut in halves 3 pints. Fresh basil, rough chopped, ½ cup. Italian dressing, ½ cup. Salt, ½ teaspoon. Ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. 1. Use a knife and cut each grape tomato in half lengthwise. Place cut tomatoes in a mixing bowl. 2. Place fresh basil on a clean cutting board and rough chop. Do not cut too small. Add to mixing bowl. 3. Add Italian dressing, salt and pepper to mixing bowl. With a stainless steel spoon, gently mix ingredients until well incorporated. Do not overmix. Do not crush tomatoes. Cut the fresh mozzarella cheese into strips, then cut into 1/2 inch cubes. Squeeze bottle 1 tablespoon of pesto sauce across the top of each slice of flatbread. Spread the pesto across the top using a plastic knife. Top each flatbread with a full ½ cup of the fresh tomato mixture. Sprinkle 1 ounce of diced mozzarella cheese across the top of the tomatoes. Display on a parchment paper-lined composite paddle board. Reheat for 2 minutes in deck oven to crisp the bread and heat the cheese. For 1 portion of spinach artichoke flatbread, bake and cut the crust a separate recipe. Using a plastic spoon, spread 1 ounce of cold Alfredo sauce across the top of the flatbread portion. Spread 2 ounces of standard Villa spinach mix across the top of the Alfredo sauce. Evenly arrange 4 artichoke quarters that have been drained well on top of the spinach. Sprinkle 1 ounce of diced roasted red peppers on top. Sprinkle diced fresh mozzarella on top last. Display on parchment-lined composite paddle. Reheat in oven 2 to 3 minutes until hot.